Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta sauce less watery. First, begin with excellent ripe tomatoes. They naturally contain less excess liquid and offer a richer flavor. Next, cook your sauce for a longer duration over a gentle heat. This extended simmering allows moisture to evaporate slowly and naturally. Also, using a wider pot or pan significantly increases the surface area, which helps accelerate the evaporation process, leading to a thicker, more concentrated sauce. These initial steps are crucial for a great foundation. Now, let's explore some effective thickening methods. A simple trick is to add a small amount of tomato paste. It not only deepens the flavor, but also acts as a natural thickener. For a quick fix, you can create a cornstarch slurry by mixing 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 teaspoon of cold water, then stirring it into your simmering sauce. Another delicious option is to stir in about 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese, which adds both a lovely savory flavor and a creamy thickness. Proper ingredient preparation and cooking techniques are key. If you are using canned tomatoes, make sure to drain them very thoroughly before adding them to your pot. This removes a lot of unnecessary liquid. When sautéing vegetables such as onions and peppers, cook them until they are well softened. This process helps release their inherent moisture before they even join the sauce. Furthermore, be mindful of the amount of additional liquids, like broth or wine, you incorporate into your recipe. For those final touches, consider these adjustments. Simmer your sauce uncovered for at least 20 to 30 minutes. This allows for significant reduction and concentration. You can also mash some of the cooked tomatoes against the side of the pot with a spoon or potato masher to release their pectin and create a naturally thicker texture. Finally, if you need a quick fix, a small amount of breadcrumbs or crushed crackers can effectively absorb any lingering excess liquid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.